Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English DailyPod. I am Alex.
And I am Sam. We are so happy you are here with us today.
You know, Sam, many people want to improve their English as a goal for the new year.
That is true. Learning a language is a top resolution, but sometimes it's hard to find the right lessons that are easy to understand and use.
Exactly. So if you want to reach your English goals this year, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right now. Also, save this episode so you can listen to it again. It really helps you remember the new words.
Great idea. Today, we are talking about a very exciting topic, New Year. We will help you describe your plans, your parties, and your goals.
I am ready. Let's get started.
So, Alex, can you believe it? The year is almost over. How do you feel?
I feel a bit tired, but also very excited. December is always so busy with work and shopping. What about you?
I feel the same. I love the atmosphere, the lights in the streets, the cold weather, and everyone looking forward to a fresh start.
A fresh start. That is a good way to put it. Do you usually feel sad when the year ends?
A little bit, because time goes so fast, but I prefer to look forward. I like thinking about new opportunities.
That is a very positive way to think. I usually spend this time looking at my old calendar and seeing what I actually finished.
Did you finish everything you wanted to do this year?
Not everything, but I did learn how to cook a few new dishes. That's a win for me.
Let's talk about the big night. Alex, what do you usually do on New Year's Eve?
I usually stay at home with my family. We have a big dinner and watch the countdown on TV. What about you?
I often go to a friend's house. We have a small party, play games, and wait for midnight to see the fireworks.
Fireworks are the best part. Do people in your city go outside to watch them?
Yes, thousands of people go to the city center. It is very crowded, but the energy is amazing.
Do you have any special food that you eat for the new year?
In my family, we always eat noodles. They represent a long life. It's a nice tradition. Do you have a tradition like that?
We usually eat grapes. 12 grapes at midnight, one for each month of the year. It's supposed to bring good luck.
That sounds fun. Is it hard to eat them all so fast?
Yes, it's very difficult. Everyone is laughing and trying to finish their grapes before the clock stops.
Okay, let's talk about the next day, New Year's Day. Everyone is usually very quiet on January 1st, right?
Oh, definitely. Everyone is sleeping late because they stayed up until 2 or 3 in the morning.
I like the feeling of January 1st. It is so quiet. I usually take a long walk in the park. It helps me think about my goals.
Speaking of goals, let's talk about New Year's resolutions. This is a very common topic for English learners.
Good point. A resolution is a promise you make to yourself to change something or do something better. Alex, do you usually make resolutions?
I do, but I am not very good at keeping them. Last year, I said I would go to the gym 4 times a week.
And what happened?
I went every day for 1 week. Then in the second week, I went twice. By February, I forgot I even had a gym membership.
That happens to many people. I think the problem is that we try to change too much at once.
I agree. This year, my resolution is smaller. I want to read 10 pages of a book every night.
That is much better. It's a small step. My resolution is to cook at home more often. I spend too much money on delivery food.
That is a great goal. It's good for your health and your wallet.
Actually, Alex, I also want to focus on my career this year. Many people use the new year to plan their work goals.
True. At my office, we have a big meeting in the first week of January. We talk about the year ahead.
The year ahead. I like that phrase. It sounds very professional.
We look at what we did well and what we can improve. It's like a fresh start for the company.
Do you find it stressful to set work goals right after the holidays?
A little bit, but it also gives me a sense of direction. It's better than just working without a plan.
I agree. Whether it's personal life or work, the new year is a time for reflection.
Now, let's look at some useful words and phrases from our conversation. These are perfect for your A2 or B1 level.
Our first phrase is New Year's Eve. This is the night of December 31st. For example, I'm going to a party on New Year's Eve.
Next is countdown. This is counting backwards to 0. Example, we watched the countdown on the big screen.
Third is resolution, a promise you make to yourself. Example, my New Year's resolution is to exercise more.
Fourth is stay up. This means to not go to bed. Example, I stayed up until midnight to see the fireworks.
Fifth is fresh start. This means a new beginning. Example, moving to a new city was a fresh start for her.
Sixth is look forward to. This means to be excited about something in the future. Example, I am looking forward to my holiday in January.
Seventh is reflect on. This means to think deeply about the past. Example, it is important to reflect on your progress every year.
Eighth is turn over a new leaf. This is a nice idiom for B1 learners. It means to start behaving in a better way. Example, he decided to turn over a new leaf and stop smoking.
Ninth is keep a resolution. This means to actually do what you promised. Example, it is hard to keep a resolution for a whole year.
And finally, fireworks display. A show of fireworks. Example, the fireworks display at the harbor was beautiful.
That was a lot of good vocabulary. Let's do a quick recap.
We talked about New Year's Eve, which is the party night, and the countdown to midnight.
We discussed resolutions like going to the gym or reading more and why it is hard to keep them.
We also mentioned traditions, like eating special food for good luck and watching fireworks.
And we learned that the new year is a fresh start and a time to reflect on the year ahead.
Now it is your turn to practice. I will say a sentence with a blank space, and you try to fill it in.
Let's try this one. I am going to blank until midnight to watch the fireworks.
Think about it. The answer is stay up. I'm going to stay up until midnight.
Let's try another one. My New Year's blank is to learn 10 new English words every day.
The answer is resolution. My New Year's resolution is to learn 10 new words.
Great job! Now here's your question of the day.
What is your main resolution for this year, and how do you plan to keep it?
Please write your answer in the comments. We love reading your stories, and it's a great way to practice your writing.
Well, that is the end of our episode about the new year. We hope you learned some useful phrases today.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a like and share this with a study buddy. It helps more people find our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a daily practice.
Happy New Year to everyone. We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye.